guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nioka. Today we'll be making some delicious curried goat. Before I even get to the video, guys, I would love for you to go ahead and comment down below with what you'd like me to cook in my next video, guys. And I would like for you guys to go ahead and like this video. I'll go ahead and give you a couple seconds so you can go ahead and like the video. So go ahead, I'm waiting. All right, you like the video yet? You like the video yet? All right, good. So let's get straight to the video, guys. Okay guys, this is my lovely goat here. It's already seasoned. The curry's already on it. I seasoned it with pimento, onion, a lot of garlic. I put some thyme in there. And guys, make sure you add salt. I'm gonna cook it until it's very tender. It should take about an hour and a half. So let's get this baby on the stove. Okay guys, everything is ready. As you can see, I have my Dutchie, my good old Dutch pot on the stove. And this is what I'm gonna be, and this pot is what I'm gonna be using to cook this curry goat. Now I already turned on the stove. The pot is getting hot. In the meantime, I'm gonna add some oil, just a little bit like that. Now we're gonna let that oil get hot, and then we're gonna be adding in the goat. Okay, so the pot is hot. I'm just gonna be adding everything in. I would normally burn some curry, but really I don't have any more curry. I use everything here, and I even add a little bit of turmeric on it because my curry powder was finished. But if you want, you can burn the curry. It's nice to burn the curry, but because the curry is finished, as I said, I couldn't burn it because I don't have any more. So yeah, I'm gonna be covering this, and I'm gonna be checking on it in the next 5 or 6 minutes. Okay guys, so this is after 10 minutes. If you realize that the water, it started like gathering a little bit of liquid, so I'm just gonna stir this up a little bit. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. I'm gonna be adding some water to this so we can start the real cooking process. Now we don't want to add a lot of water, just add enough to cover the meat. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, so like that amount is good. So I'm gonna just cover this up so it can cook. Make sure you check it every like 15 or 20 minutes. Just make sure that you keep on checking. If it needs more water, you can add water, you know. Just keep on checking it like maybe every 15 minutes. And remember that the cook time is about 1 hour and 20 minutes. So, you know, just keep on checking it. And if it needs water, you add water. So yeah, we're gonna be covering this up, and I'll check it in the next like maybe 15 minutes. This is the first 20 minutes of cooking. It has enough water, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Guys, when you're adding water, it's good if you have a kettle with warm water already, but don't put cold water or room temperature. Try to get the water warm or hot when you're putting it in here. And I'm gonna be covering this up a little bit more, and I'll see you back. I'll see you again maybe in the next 20 minutes. Okay guys, so this has been cooking for 1 hour. This looks so good. It looks like it's even already tender. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Like the whole house smells like curry goat, and it's so nice. All right, so it's not cooked yet. All right, so this is after 1.5 hour cooking. This looks so beautiful. This looks so beautiful, and it smells so good. So let me check the tenderness. It looks tender. Let me test it. All right, so yeah, it's good. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add my vegetables. These are the vegetables that I will add. I have carrots. I have, shout out to Grayson, my sister. You know, when she's cooking her curry, she likes to put a lot of carrot, and she thinks that it's very, very much important as the potatoes. So girl, I know it's important, but I love potatoes. But anyways, shout out to my sister. So yeah, I have my carrots. I have some scallion, or if you want to say green onion. I have onion, white onion or regular onion. I don't know what you want to call it. And I have garlic inside of this. So I'm just gonna add it. Just adding it to the pot. Then we give that a little stir. If you look, there's almost no water in it, so we definitely need to add water to this. Wow, that looks so good. Oh my god, I wish you guys could smell it. What I'm talking about. I'm just gonna get my kettle and add some water. I'll add enough because there was almost no water in there. So yeah, just give that a little mix. So you know that when the vegetables are done cooking, this baby is done. All right, guys, one thing with cooking, you have to be very patient. You cannot rush, because if you rush, is either you're gonna burn your food or you're gonna have tasteless food. So it's good that you take your time, find something to do, put the pot on the fire. It's not like you have to be standing over it for the whole 1 hour or 2 hours for it to cook. Oh, or if you want to use a pressure cooker, be my guest. You can go ahead and use a pressure cooker if you want. I'm gonna cover this baby up, and I'll be showing you guys when it's done. All right guys, so the curry goat is finished. It's finished. The total cook time is 1 hour and 45 minutes. So yeah, 1 hour and 45 minutes, and this is how it looks. The vegetables are cooked. It's very tender. See? Yeah. So it's done. I'm gonna turn it off. And yeah, this is my curry goat, and my rice is here in this pot, just waiting for it to finish so I can serve this baby. All right, this is my finished product. This is how it looks, and I'm serving this with white rice and vegetables. You know I love my veggies. I really want to show you guys the tenderness of this. That's how I like it. Let me just taste it. Wow, it tastes so good. Very nice. You guys, you can serve this with anything, but the best thing would be to serve it with white rice. You can even boil some green bananas and dumpling, and that will be good too, but white rice is ideal. So yeah, this is the finished product. I'm gonna be eating my dinner right now. be honest guys, that curry goat, it was so delicious. I had to just go ahead and eat that curry goat like before I even record this, because it was so delicious guys. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and please just hit that subscription button and a lot more content will be coming your way. Mwah. Guys, have a wonderful day and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.